Okay then, chalo, we'll start. Hi guys, this is Mahi and you're watching the Indian NBA Nerd Talks, जहाँ चार लोग बास्केटबॉल के बारे में बकवास फैलते हैं. This show is made by an NBA fan and a basketball lover for the NBA fans and the basketball lovers. So starting today's episode, let me introduce my guest. You will remember my homie, my friend from the last episode, Aman. तालियां हो जाए अमन भाई के लिए.
तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
इसके ऊपर फिर मीम लगाना पड़ेगा मेरे को. And you guys will obviously remember our definitely not a faker but a laker भाई साथ भैया. ताली होना चाहिए, ताली बजनी चाहिए. And now on to our new addition. This guy has taught me half of the basketball I know. ये हमारे घर में 1 महीने हमारा राशन मुफ्त में खाया है, हमारा जगह खाया था इस बंदे ने, all for the sake of teaching us basketball, and he has done it pretty well. Because of him, I have got the privilege to play with some of the top players in Bangalore and sometimes in the nation also. He is definitely one of the best one-on-one guys I have ever seen, like through my eyes, and he is the only 6-footer I know who can dunk. Please give it up for my brother, James. Prasant James, everybody.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Okay, how are you doing, James? By the way, हम लोग का तो ठीक है. How are you doing, man? How's father time coming around?
Well, not yet, but so far so good, man. And like, it's been so long.
Yeah.
Since I caught up with you guys, so I'm just too happy to see everyone, and man, life is great right now.
So since you guys don't know, James got married in 2019. I think 2019, right? Or wow. 2020. 2020.
Wow. Congratulations.
Yeah. 2020 January, just before the entire world went haywire. He made the reservations for his honeymoon. So yeah,
boy.
I'm expecting twins. So
hopefully, let's see. Hopefully,
let's all make a prayer.
You should name one of them LeBron. You know, like if you have.
LeBron James. Oh wow.
LeBron James.
Yeah, and Harden James हो जाएगा.
Oh no.
That's going to confuse everything, you know.
Or maybe name your kid Michael, you know, like, so you have Michael from Jordan and LeBron.
Michael James. Who is the greatest player? Michael James.
Michael James.
अरे यार वो क्या हुआ है ना, like we had a lot of photos right back in college of playing and videos and stuff. James भैया का I had really good videos, but the thing is वो folder ही मेरे से चला गया, that him dunking and stuff like that. But okay,
you had to lose that one folder. Thanks, man.
I remember we gave you your birthday cake, dude. On that, the photo was there, you dunking.
Oh man, that is special.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah. And for your information, James is the only one who is still playing. Like even though occasionally, but he is still playing. I see his videos on Instagram. On what is this channel name? What is this account name?
It's called Bengaluru Ballers.
Bengaluru Ballers. Yeah,
you can check it out. Yeah, it's pretty famous right here and all over India as well. Pranay being the main person who's heading the group. Okay. Since he's really a basketball enthusiast. You know. I saw
a couple of their photos with our Kardashian guys. Like, what is the current Kardashian guy name?
Ben Simmons.
Sam's fellow.
Devin Booker.
Devin Booker के साथ उनका फोटो मैंने देखा था. Sorry. मैं वो उस बात से मेरा दिमाग निकल ही नहीं रहा. I'm really sorry. Anyway, so just to keep things lighten up a little bit. Because थोड़ा सा थोड़ा deep जाएंगे आज चीजों पे. So I thought let us just begin with memes. Let's begin. The first meme is about the favorite guy of ESPN, LeBron James. वो 5 साल से उसका legacy के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो लोग. Will he exceed Michael Jordan? Can he exceed Michael Jordan? 6 years. If no content is there, that is there. Yeah.
So I think every channel does that, but the thing is, Paul Pierce took it too. It
Hey,
was very bad for Paul Pierce.
you are jinxed for life, bro. Guess whose meme is on the first? This is Paul Pierce comment after he was kicked out. I was done with them anyways. It wasn't a great fit. There's a lot of stuff over there that you can't say, and you have to talk about LeBron all the time. This ain't me saying. This is the truth saying. Truth. Okay. Okay.
Man, Paul Pierce, I think the guy says too much for what he's worth. I don't know. I was just being honest. I mean, he's
This
not
is quality content, my friends.
worth what he said, man. I don't know. I just felt that because I mean, coming to the Hall of Fame, also, I have something to share. So his Hall of Fame speech.
Yeah. We are next
We'll
topic
take
is
it.
all of next topic.
Yeah, but Draymond was right, when he told them like you were chasing that farewell tour, but they don't love you like that. Like that's the most honest trash talk ever, I think.
You
Yeah.
See,
If you remember it, Paul
Draymond
Pierce
took it way farther. Draymond called him that he compared him to Kobe over there. Okay, and then
Yeah.
then Paul Pierce had to cry back to his home.
okay?
Probably in a wheelchair because he wanted to shit.
Dre can be so blunt,
Huh?
Dre is going to talk
Yeah.
2 words, 2 sentences, and he'll be the most blunt guy.
Okay,
That's it.
one more thing. I just wanted to follow up with what James was talking about, how overrated Paul Pierce is and how much he talks. Many people think that LeBron has something bad in his career in 2011, and Kobe had in 2006 or 5 whenever he was not making the playoffs. I think 2008 was the worst year for both of them. LeBron let him win, let the Celtics win the conference, I think finals, and Kobe let them win the finals. So I think I always felt that this is like the worst thing that LeBron and Kobe have done together, especially in the same season. I just can't stand the 2008 Celtics.
Okay. Lot of LeBron James talk is about to come. Hold your horses. So, next week
No.
with the signing of DeAndre Jordan, there isn't a team in NBA history that has signed more players of 32 and older in a single playoff, in a single off season. Sorry, my bad.
Okay. Do you all know who's going to be the latest signing for the Lakers?
No, I thought
Kenneth Farid.
Is it Farid?
Kenneth Farid. Yeah, Kenneth Farid.
Oh,
No,
Rabbits.
man. Don't do it, man.
You can call Ben Wallace, man. He looks like he can still play, man. I saw him.
At least
Yeah.
he'll increase the average age.
Ben Wallace and this one.
Increase or decrease?
Ben Wallace and what is the guy you named now? Sad Bhaiya?
Farid.
Kenneth Farid.
Farid. These two players looks like they had rabies when they played, dude. Like they were infectious. You know what I'm saying? It's like people are afraid around them. That genetics.
Too much energy.
Yeah, too much energy, dude. So yeah.
Do you know who are the opposite of Lakers this not this season, probably last season? Like they were exactly the opposite of this Lakers team. It was the
What,
OKC.
Grizzlies?
No, the
Okay,
OKC.
Yeah,
The average age of their
I'm so
starting five was around 21. Like
Yeah, 21
that
point
is
something. Yeah.
insane. Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the next meme. Apparently Tokyo 22 came, and since the development of motion sensor and stuff like that, we have came to technology where they are making a photorealistic avatars of the players. Here comes LeBron James.
Oh no, man. They took half his brain off.
Hey, guess what? This is much better. They have come too far. They had took a long distance, dude. This was LeBron James who took a 14.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, the meme says it's honestly surprising LeBron didn't file a lawsuit against him.
Okay, I can't see this atrocity anymore.
Oh, but this is
Move
not
it back
NBA
to the
2K,
previous
but
picture.
This is
not NBA
2K14, dude. I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
telling they
This,
came a
this
long
is
way.
okay. This is appalling, but the previous one is interesting. Okay, take it back.
Can you go back to the previous one?
This is very
Oh
interesting.
shit. This looks like he's going to headbutt everybody in the way. Like, whoever comes is just going to attack.
Man, this is
He's not going to drop the shoulder while driving. He's
You
going
know
to
what?
go head first.
I think he can block a shot with that head.
Oh man.
Oh my
Bro.
god. But this is what happens when you get Russell Westbrook on your team.
Yeah,
You start
you'd lose your
losing.
hair literally.
Yeah.
Ah,
This is a prediction of what's gonna happen.
yeah.
I don't know
Let's
what's going
move
to
on.
happen when Westbrook's going to commit 3 turnovers in a row. James will lose.
One sec.
Yeah, this is the point in the game, you know. Westbrook has committed the 3rd turnover, and LeBron's face becomes like this.
Okay, now Ben Simmons joke. You have to watch Matrix. The funny part is okay. So Ben Simmons in the playoff, pass on a wide open dunk or miss a free throw. The comment section is funny. He took both of
He
these.
took both of these lol.
It doesn't get any worse.
To the next meme. The only ring Dame is getting.
This is honestly more sad than funny, dude. Like, this is to the point where you call it dark.
Bro,
This is offensive,
dark.
man.
Yeah, this is offensive too.
Is
I
there a
feel
way
so
Lakers
sad
can
for the
trade
guy.
Dame for Westbrook?
Ah.
I feel so sorry.
Man, this is burn, dude. This is straight up one.
Like, imagine after Dame is so loyal to his franchise all his career, and then his wife leaves him a few years later. Like, the one ring he got, and even that ring couldn't hold. Like, he couldn't hold that ring either.
He's jinxed, dude. He's jinxed.
Yeah.
No, but
Like, I just feel bad for this guy.
yeah. That's all. But hey, but at least he's making next level money. So yeah. kudos to
Yeah.
him. Yeah. Anyways, moving on.
But
to the-
everybody's making money.
Damian Lillard getting
Yeah,
the Blazers next season. यार बुखार आ गया मेरे को यार.
What the fuck is James Harden doing here? Like, I can't understand what situation would have wanted or what
This
situation
is
would have put
Mike.
these two guys in.
This one the guy.
I think this is his classic flopping, James Harden.
Yeah. And James and this guy got fouled, dude.
Yeah, I know. It's always
Michael
like
Carter
that. I mean,
Williams got fouled. Michael Carter.
you don't need to predict it also. Everybody knows that that's what happened.
Yeah.
This was, you know, who's playing offense. Looks like James is playing defense, but actually it's offense he's playing. It's a give and go. It's a give
What
and go.
is he trying to do here? Like, what is he trying to do? What is
What
he
is he
trying
Ride
to
giving
the
though?
pony. Ride the pony.
He has just given the ball up to his wingman, and he wants to cut around his own man and go, and he ends up riding it.
This
Okay,
is why
that didn't
you should
sound
let
good.
him go to the strip club every night, because if you don't, he removes his frustration on the court.
Yeah. Hey, speaking
Oh,
of
man.
Harden is a bust, man.
Speaking of strip club, this one you remember the issue happened with I think Lou. He went to
Lou Williams.
Lou William, right? When he was in bubble. He went to apparently he went to
Salt-
strip club for
Lemon
chicken
pepper
wings.
Lou.
He went to strip club to eat chicken wings. Somebody told it was not for the chicken wings; he went for the thighs. So I don't know. Some NBA analyst told her. I don't know what the story is, but okay. Okay, somebody was talking about Westbrook, so I think this is the meme regarding. No, sorry, this is not the meme. Sorry,
This is also not This is great.
You need to know a little bit of context too. You should have watched
Yeah,
this movie to understand it.
This is the first one, right?
This is the first one, the good one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
And I
Bad
think
Boys,
that's-
right?
Yeah, Bad Boys.
Yeah.
He's the tall boyfriend, I think.
सब बन बैठे यहाँ भगवान क्योंकि बनना नहीं है किसी को इंसान कूद कूद के करते खुद के गुणगान फैंस इनके सारे बंद कर लो कान गाली गलोच का नाम है रोज wanna be PewDiePie का काम है रोज